So guys, thought I'd do a little video here on brass cleaning. So I'm completely new to brass cleaning. I'm completely new to reloading. I just picked up this Frankfort Arsenal Rotary Wet Tumbler Light. I think it was like $89 on Amazon. I think this is about 500 pieces of 9mm brass. Used brass I'm going to clean up. I went ahead and got some citric acid. Made sure it was anhydrous. Also got some Dawn here. And yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and use 1 to 2 teaspoons of Dawn. Maybe about a case full of citric acid. Don't want to put too much because I've seen other videos out there that show kind of like some rose colorish that happens to the cases if you put too much citric acid. So I'm going to start out pretty light and see what happens. I'll let you guys know. Alright guys, so I've got the solution all mixed up. I did put hot water, or as warm as my sink would put. I didn't boil it or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and get this set on there. And I'll get back to you guys in about, 45 minutes from now. See how it goes. Alright guys, that's what I tell you. I just came out to check on it, and it's only been 30 minutes. And I can clearly tell the difference already. I can see the dirt in the water, and I'll just see if I can show you. I don't know if you can see, but that water is dirty, and those cases are already cleaning in just 30 minutes. Alright, so I let it tumble for 45 minutes. I cut it off a little bit before because this is just the first initial cleaning. I haven't deprimed or resized them. But I do gotta say that this brass came out really clean for just 45 minutes. Let's see if I can get this off here. I'll let you take a look. That was just from 45 minutes of cleaning. So you can see how much bubbles, how dirty that water is. Man, Frankfort Arsenal Wet Tumbler Light.